To get started with the duotone gradients, open a photo that you want to edit in Photoshop. Double-click on the photo background layer in order to unlock it. Go to the Adjustments panel and add a gradient map mask to the layer. Use the drop-down menu for the Gradient Maps Properties panel and click on the gear icon to replace the gradients with the duotone gradients.grd file that you downloaded from Creative Market. You're going to open that, and it's going to replace all of your gradients in the Gradient Maps panel with the 50 duotone gradients. You can just click through them to change. If you only want this to affect the photo layer that you're working on, make sure to clip it. Clip the adjustment to the photo below it. It shouldn't affect any other elements other than clipping it to that photo. You can also reverse the duotone gradient if you want to in the Properties panel for the gradient map, which will cause more of a inverted look. And that's how to use the duotone gradients.